Clifton Park Pet Search, I started by myself over 15 years ago, and I do it voluntarily, and I've been fortunate over the years to have some people help out once in a while, but mainly I work by myself. And basically all I do is rescue lost animals, from dogs to cats, and I try to get them home safely. I noticed after social media and stuff, there was a big void with the lost animals and people needing help, and I just figured I would try it out one day. I love animals, and I know they're almost like our kids, and I see a lot of distraught people, and I figured I could maybe help some people out that either didn't have resources or didn't have any help to try to locate their animal. My love for animals basically comes from the affection they can give you. I don't consider myself as a hero, mainly because I believe there's a lot of good people out there, and I believe it's something that a lot of people will do and go out of their way for. It's just a matter of finding those people. I feel wonderful when I'm able to reunite a pet with their owner. It's actually, like I said, I do this voluntarily, and that is my reward. There's no better feeling than reuniting a pet with their owner. It's an emotional roller coaster throughout the whole process of finding their animal, and then when we finally get them or her, they're just the happiest people in the world, and there really is no better feeling than that moment.